Welcome, and in this video we're going to create your very first program with Scratch. So Scratch is a beginner friendly way to learn how to use coding using simple blocks. So this is a Scratch workspace, and on the left we will have the coding blocks, and in the middle this is where we build our code, and then on the right is the stage where we will see how our program starts. So why don't we create a program? So why don't we go to events, and then we're going to click the block that says green flag when green flag is clicked. So this block will start our program, and then now we're going to motion. So now we're going to drag the move 10 steps block and attach it to when green flag is clicked. So that means when I click this green flag, the cat moves. So you see, it moves. So now, why don't we make this movement more than once? So now I'm going to go to the control panel. Then I'm going to click create, repeat 10 times. So I'm going to move 10 steps into that block, and I'm going to connect it together. So when I clicked when green flag is clicked, it will repeat 10 times. So see, it moved 10 times. So now let's make it our sprite say something. So now we're going to go to looks, and let's say hello for 2 seconds. So now the yellow block, put it in, and I'm going to click it, and it says hello. So it's repeating, and it's going to say hello for 2 minutes. So this is your first Scratch program, and in the next video we will make it interactive using the keyboard. Thank you.